sun, sand and beaches. Goa, the paradise on earth. Hawaii, the village retreat. This rustic, spellbinding, beautiful, exotic and luxurious boutique, the village retreat, at the end of a quaint Goan village at Dona Paula. Hawaii, the waterfront landscaped gardens, offers its guest a picture-perfect setting for unwinding and rejuvenating oneself. The well-manicured lush green lawns overlooking the beautiful Hawaii beach and the Dona Paula Bay. Hawaii, the village retreat. Every room at Hawaii has a breathtaking, spectacular view of the Dona Paula jetty and opening out onto mystic landscapes. Each room is uniquely designed with elegant colonial furniture, setting the mood for a romantic holiday. Hawaii, an ideal venue to rekindle and revive your intimate relationship or relive your honeymoon. Offering distinctly different designer rooms. Hawaii. Begin your day with the chirping of birds and the sound of the waves. Worship the sun all day long and sight the occasional dolphin. Dip into blue waters where the Arabian Sea and the Zuari River converge. Hawaii is the perfect do-your-own-thing place. Fishing or cooking yourself if you so please. A little ahead, wild water sports. Finally, enjoy a romantic evening with a multi-cuisine menu on the waterfront. Hawaii, a picturesque ambience for birthday bashes, weddings, anniversaries, social or corporate events. The cocktail of fun, frolic, ease, privacy and tranquility make Hawaii the ultimate homely holiday destination and an absolute pleasure paradise. Hawaii, truly a treat for your senses. Hawaii, the village retreat, Hawaii Beach, Dona Paula, Goa.